tutorial is. In this video, I will show you how to check when your website was last crawled by Google search engine. What happens, your website or any website is crawled periodically time to time by Google bots. So it's not certain that when uh, it will come to crawl your website. But if you want to check that when your website was last crawled by Google, so it is possible to check that. So let me show you how you can do that. First open your website. For example, this is my subject website, so I will open it. And then if you want to check when last your website was crawled, then check here. Okay, so right here, site, sorry, cache and colon. Cache, before that cache, cache and colon, and then press enter. This way it will show you here the date and time. So it is crawled on 27th February and today is 28th, so just one day before it was crawled. And it is also displaying the time and hour, minute and second as well. So with this command you can check when your website was last crawled. Now the question is, all the website is crawled, all the pages, inner pages or other pages is crawled in same time? No, it's not like that. Different pages is crawled in different time. For example, if I want to check this web design course when it was crawled last, then definitely its time will be different from the home page. And this time is decided by Google crawler or bots itself. We don't have any control over these. So if I press here, then actually it's hidden by header. So let me disable this header, delete. Yes, so you can see the time of my website design course page and date is totally different from home page. Okay, so you always remember that different pages in your own website is crawled in different timing and date. So depending upon Google crawler's time, it is decided by Google crawler or bots. So as I told you that you don't have control over when Google search engine or bots will crawl your website. So how actually this works? First, Google do indexing. First, Google search engine or bots do indexing in the sense that all pages are indexed first, collected first, and then one by one randomly it crawls. So what does crawling mean? Crawling means it crawls, it collects information from your website and it sends back to Google data center, and that procedure is called crawling. So when the user searches in search engine, then taking the data from your website and different websites, Google algorithm decides which website will be shown in the top, and after that this way it is decided. So what the Google bots does, it works like this. First, it creates the index like this: index home page, design page, development page, digital marketing page, all the pages. It first make a list here. Okay, so this is called indexing. Okay, first it makes index, and after that it crawls here, start crawling here. Crawling in the sense that it scraps the data, it collects the data from here, and then it sends back to Google data center here. Once again, it collects the information and sends to the data center. But remember, the timing of this first page and the timing of this second page can be different. Timing of this page can be different for crawling. Timing of this page can be different for crawling. Okay, so you understand the process of collecting information, the process of making a list of all the pages in the website is called indexing. Remember, this is called indexing, and checking the data to the data center after scraping, this is called crawling. So that is difference between indexing and crawling. And remember, always indexing takes place first and then crawling takes place later after indexing. So hope you understand what is difference between indexing and crawling, and when your website is or web pages is last crawl, so you can decide and you can check, not decide actually, you can check from the cache command. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.